In this video, we'll go over waypoint navigation on your Garmin Vivoactive 4 or Garmin Venu. Now, the waypoint functionality on the watch is rather limited. It restricts you to your current location. You can't edit a waypoint, but show you the two ways you can access the navigation screen. So first way here is press and hold the A button to get to your shortcuts here. You notice we have our waypoint icon. You can tap on that, and it will grab a waypoint or create a waypoint from our current location. So here, if you're outside, we're able to save a waypoint. Now we're going to tap on our check mark here. Have option here to give it an icon. So we'll just choose one of the many waypoint icons or category types. Let's choose that, for example. And then now the waypoint's saved. Now to retrieve your saved waypoints, or if you want to create another one the long way, all we have to do is press the start button here, and we'll tap at the bottom to get all the list of our activities available. And at the very bottom we have navigate. We can tap on that, and now we can actually save our location if we want to create a new waypoint for us. But we'll hit B or the back. We'll get to save locations, and you can see the list of our waypoints that we've created. There's the one that we created right here. So you can see we can do a go to. You can see the details. Go back, we can change the icon if we wanted to, and we can actually delete it. And we'll delete this location. Now let's say we wanted to do a navigation on an existing waypoint. So what we can do is choose a waypoint. We'll choose one here. We'll do go to, and then it's going to do a navigation activity. So again, we got to wait for our GPS. Once it starts, then we can start the activity by pressing on the A, and we're just going to do a navigation or walking or running to that waypoint. You can also do navigation during an activity. So here we have a walking activity going on right now, and let's say we want to navigate back to either our start or to a saved waypoint. So basically what we can do is press and hold the back button down here, press and hold till we get our menu settings, and we'll tap on navigation. And from here, if we've started a walking activity and want to get back to our start, because we're in a different city, whatever, we can do back to start. And now we can navigate and just follow the direction of travel, which is your arrow here. So we got to go walk in that direction here, and we see our distance remaining. Now what you can also do is press and hold B and stop navigation to resume your walk activity. Or you want to navigate to an existing waypoint. So again, press and hold B and choose navigation. And we can either save a waypoint where we are or access our list of saved waypoints. And let's use this one, go to. You can see here now we can navigate to that waypoint. And again, to stop, press and hold B and stop navigation. And then from there, your walking activity will still run as normal. So there you go. That is navigation or waypoints with your Vivoactive 4 or Venu.